Hi, today I'm going to teach about a simple calculation on leasing. Uh, for more information, please visit www.eacademyforyou.com. And let's start with the question. We got the question from the book called Ross Westerfield Jaffe, 9th edition, question number 7, on lease or buy. So let's look at this question. SSE is considering buying a machine that costs $435,000. The machine will depreciate over 5 years by the straight line method and will be worthless at that time. The company can lease the machine with a year-end payment of $107,500. The company can issue bonds at a 9% interest rate. If the corporate tax rate is 35%, should the company buy or lease? So let's have a look at the most important numbers and let's try to understand the question. So SSE is considering buying a machine, which is the machine cost $435,000, and the machine will depreciate over 5 years. So the machine will depreciate over 5 years with a straight line method, and after that will be worthless. And then the company can lease the machine. This is the alternative. They can lease the machine with a year-end payment. So important is the year-end payment of $107,500. So for 5 years they will pay $107,500 for the leasing. The company can issue bond at 9%, so they can issue a bond at 9% interest rate. If the corporate tax rate is 35%, should the company buy or lease? So now we have to decide if the company should buy the machine or lease the machine. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's go for the thing. So first, the method is that we have to write it down. We have to calculate the buy first, and we start with the year 0, and then we start with it from year 1, until year 5. Okay, and then after that, we have to first calculate the cost. We have to state the cost, which is minus $435,000, and then after that we have to do the depreciation tax shield, which is 435,000 over 5, which is 5 is from the 5 years, and multiplied by 0.35, which is the tax, and then after that, after we calculate that one, we will get 40,450, and that's the answer from that's the depreciation tax shield. And after that, after we calculate the buy, if the company should buy, then we have to calculate if the company should lease. Okay, the leasing calculation is that you start with a year 1 until year 5. Why it's year 1 from year 1 until 5? It's because the question said the year-end payment, so it will start from year 1. Okay, payment is minus 107,500, and the tax benefit, so the company get the tax benefit of 107,500 multiplied by 0.35, which is the tax, and then we must minus the answer from here, from the 107,500, which is, then the answer will be minus 69,875. After we calculate this buy and lease, then we have to calculate the NPV. So NPV is, first we start out with the minus 435,000. We get it from here, the cost, and then after we get that one, we have to plus with buy and lease, and then the buy is first is 30,450 minus 69,875, and then we close the big bracket, and then multiplied by this. There's a formula for this, which is 1 minus 1 over 1 plus I. This is I, and this number 5 is the N, which is 5 years. and then after that we over I, which is 0.0585. Now let's see how we got this 0.0585, which was not stated in the question, but we have to calculate that one. And this is how we calculate the I. I is first the bond interest rate was 9%, which is 0.09 multiplied by open the bracket 1 minus 0.35. We have to minus from the tax, because why we have to get this? Because the question did not state if it was after tax. So if the question said our interest rate after tax, then we don't have to calculate this one. We can just get the I and put it here. But since the question did not say anything, we have to calculate the I by multiplying with the 1 minus tax. And then that's how we got this 0.0585. And after that one, you solve all this one, you calculate it, and then your answer should be minus 10,664.52. Sorry. And then since it's a minus, then this one, the question, the answer will be the company must lease the machine rather than they buy. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned. Please visit www.eacademyforyou.com for more information on how you can answer the questions by using the formulas, and everything should be there. Thank you very much.